friend of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access tab menu. Now look for rotate off icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is see-through. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well and tap on display section. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen instead. If it's green, that means that auto rotation is on. You can turn it off by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!